Welcome! In this segment, we'll take a look at screencasts. Let's go ahead and get started with our PowerPoint presentation on screencasts. What is a screencast? A screencast is a digital recording of what you're doing on your computer. When a screencast is created, the creator records their movements throughout a web page or software. So when a person creates a screencast, everything that they're doing within a software program or on a website is recorded. So any kind of mouse movements, or when they're using pull-down menus, any kind of direction that they're giving throughout software or a website is all recorded through a screencast. So again, through a screencast, all types of movements are recorded. Any kind of typing, clicking, any kind of movement is being recorded on a screencast. Screencasts typically contain an audio component. So usually the audio is a narration of steps or directions. So for example, if you're taking a class, you might be receiving screencasts from your instructor or your faculty member that give you guided instructions on using a particular kind of software or how to navigate a website. So again, a screencast is recording of a person moving through a software program or a website, and usually the person is recording their voice as they're doing that to give you some kind of narration and direction. When would you use screencasts? Screencasts are typically used in all levels of education, from elementary all the way to higher education. And in education, again, usually screencasts are used to provide some kind of tutorials. Screencasts are also used in businesses, sometimes internally to communicate and train staff, but they also use screencasts to sell products and services. How are screencasts made? Screencasts are made by using software that records what you see on your computer screen. Along with the recording on your computer screen, you can also add in still photos, images, screen captures, and again, you can record your voice to go along with the images. So again, a screencast is created by using software. There are many kinds of screencast software available. You can purchase screencast software, or you can find free screencast software. To find screencast software, you would just again go on the internet, use your favorite search tool, and search for the word Screencast Software. I have a couple examples of screencast software. This is a free screencast software called Screencast-O-Matic. And another example I have is called Jing. And these are both free screencast software programs. Once you find a screencast program that you'd like to use, you would download it to the computer that you're going to be using to create your screencast. And so after you've downloaded the software program and you've read through the tutorials, you would start your recording to record your screencast. And so everything within a particular box, and you choose the size of the box, would be recorded. So you could be recording a small part or the entire screen on your computer or your laptop or whatever device that you're using. And again, the screencast software will record everything that you're doing, all kinds of movement and clicking. And again, you would be also possibly narrating. You don't have to do narrations through screencasts, but they're a great benefit to the people that are going to be viewing your screencast. So again, at the same time that you're giving the direction and recording your movements, you would also be recording audio to give people a narration or direction. Again, screencasts are made by using the software and audio. If you're planning on using audio, you would want to have a high quality microphone. You want to make sure that you test out your microphone and you listen to yourself after you've recorded your screencast to be sure that you can hear yourself okay. Again, other people are going to be listening to your screencast on different devices, and you want to make sure that your voice is going to be coming through clear on that microphone that you use. Let's talk about a summary of screencasts. You encounter screencasts every day, whether you're in education or whether you're in a business. Again, screencasts are used for a multitude of purposes, for educational tutorials or within businesses to do training or to sell products and services. Screencasts are video tutorials and are oftentimes narrated, and screencasts do a great job of capturing the narrator's interactions with their computers. Screencasts are a great option for when you need to give detailed instruction. So you could try out a screencast yourself. If you need to communicate with someone or train someone or provide a tutorial and you don't have the ability to do a video, you could do a screencast. And again, you just want to go to the internet, Get Screencast Software, and you can start recording and creating screencasts on your own. It just takes a few minutes. That's all for now. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.